So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about API3. So API3 is a new cryptocurrency that is on a massive bull run right now, and it is seeing some crazy numbers. So today we're going to be talking about API3 and what we can see in the graphs. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we start, please do make sure to click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So as you can see, I'm on coinmarket.com and we are currently on the graph of API3. So you can see it is currently up about 16.1% in the past 24 hours alone. So that is a very huge number to be up around in only the past 24 hours. So it is currently moving around a lot, and we're trading at around $2.57 right now. And if you look at the left panel, we can see our market cap is around $222 million right now. Up about 16.14% from the past 24 hours. And if we look at our volume, we can see we are up about 1242% from yesterday at around 610 million. So this is a crazy number. API3 is really hyped right now. We can see the crazy numbers in volume that we have seen in the past 24 hours alone, and it is really rocking right now. So even if we look at our daily graph right here, we can see 24 hours ago we were trading at around $2.20, and we have been in the green for the whole day, so not a single below the starting point. And we have, if we look at our daily high, we did manage to climb all the way up to around $3.26. So we did manage to go around up by a lot, and we have come down from that number, but that was a huge number to be up by in just a single day. And we can see we are on the green for most of the day, so we are doing pretty good right now in API3. So this is the 24-hour volume. We can see we had the most volume around right here, 327 million, I think 21 million, and we have been seeing huge growth. And if let's switch to the 7 days for a bigger look. So this is where you really see the magic happening in API3. So if we look at the weekly chart, we can see that it is up by around 52.74% from the past 7 days. And if you look at the chart, you may realize that it's not even in the 7 days, it's just in the past 1 or 2 days, starting from the 19th. So in just a matter of 2 days, it has gone up by a lot, so around 52%. Now it did reach higher numbers at the high prices of around $3.16, so that was a lot higher. But if we just take a look at the graph, we can see that in the starting of the week we were trading at around $1.67 right here, and we were very flat for almost the whole week. So we can see right here, barely to no any movement, just a couple cents here and there, maybe just 1 or 2 cents for the whole week. But as we got to the 19th, we did have this slight bump right here. We went from around 59 to 52 cents right here. But then this is where it all started. On the 19th, in the afternoon and night, we can see we went from around $1.60 all the way up to around $3.18. So a very big move, more than 2x the movement. So that was a very high target for API3 to hit, and we did manage to go around a lot. So this is actually magic, and we have seen a lot of volume. As you can see right here, we had only around $1 billion of volume in the whole week, around $1.6 million actually, and around $8 million of volume. But here is where we started seeing the huge volume that we are currently seeing, and we are continuing to seeing huge growth in API 3, so we have yet to see what we can see in the future of API 3. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we talked about a really hyped cryptocurrency right now, and it is called API 3. We analyzed the datas and the graphs of API 3. So we looked at the daily graph and the weekly graph, and we realized that this magic has happened in just the past 2 days. So it was pretty flat in before that, so it was gaining about 1 to 2 cents of movement every day, but now it has gone up a lot, so more than 52% even currently in the past week. So we have yet big numbers to see. So if you are new to this channel, I do daily crypto live streams on this channel talking about any recent crypto news, any price changes, and everything related to the crypto community on the live stream. So do make sure to check that out daily. And I also create long form content like this, talking about any recent crypto news that has came out and any recent price changes. So do make sure to check those out also too. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and also please drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.